Alright, good to early in the morning, Shadows. It is now approximately 5 o'clock and I am up and waiting for my bus. I've got about 20 minutes to wait for it to arrive. I made good time walking, so I got maybe 2 hours of sleep last night. So I'm a little tired, but super excited because we're heading on our way to Edinburgh. So I guess even though it's super early and I need some sleep, let's get this day started. See you in a bit. Alright, good afternoon from Edinburgh. I'm going to try to be quiet because I'm right next to church and in a graveyard. One of the only places I could find that was semi-quiet. So, like I said, good afternoon, Shadows, from Edinburgh, capital of Scotland, and the most haunted place in Europe, so the BBC says. So, we're here for 2 weeks. We're gonna do some fun things. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I've already been here 2 days. I've done a couple tours so I could get some information so I can relay it to you. We've still got many more tours to go. Plus we're doing the Samhain Fire Festival, which is the celebration of Halloween, Celtic pagan version. So super cool for me. As I think I've mentioned to you guys, I'm Wiccan, so it's amazing. I actually get to be here and my family is from Scotland. So double kind of cool. Today, however, we are gonna start our adventure with a Harry Potter tour. Free, so that's kind of cool. Woo, sunlight in my eyes. Yeah, so as you guys all know, I don't know if maybe you guys don't know, maybe I should tell you, this is something I've learned. J.K. Rowling actually wrote all the Harry Potters in Edinburgh and in fact still lives here, so maybe we'll run into her, which would be kind of cool. P.S. Hope it didn't creep you out that we did this in a graveyard. We're gonna be seeing a lot of graveyards. It's Halloween time. It's kind of a must thing. So with that being said, we're going to get this day started.